Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear cache and junk files from your Windows 11 PC. Now there are a couple of steps that we're going to do here, so follow along. But first things first, we're going to go ahead and type here run. Go ahead and click that and you should be able to see something like this. Go ahead and type here temp and then hit OK and click continue, and this is something that we're going to be working on right now. So I'm going to open it, hit one of these here and then click Control A, and afterwards I'm going to go ahead and press the delete button right here. Do this for all current items and then continue. Alright, now there is going to be something like this. It's going to be left out. Don't worry about that one. You can just keep that. And we're going to go ahead and do the same thing. Run. And this time, we're just going to add a percentage at the beginning and at the end. Hit OK, and still the same thing. Delete everything. Alright, click continue. And you can see this is 180 MB files. That's actually a lot. Alright, now for these, don't worry. Some of them are going to be left out. You don't want to mess with them. Alright, once they're deleted, we're gonna go ahead and close this one, and we're gonna go ahead and do one more run, or two more rather. And here type prefetch, and once you've typed prefetch, go ahead and hit OK, click continue right here, and we're gonna go ahead and delete everything once again. Now click skip, and then close. We're gonna do one more run, and this time, oops, type here clean manager or clean mgr, hit OK, and then you're gonna go ahead and choose which one you'd like to clean. I would suggest clean the one that has a window icon. You should be able to see window icon right here. So that's my C. I'm gonna go ahead and hit OK. And here is something that we're gonna be working on. So go ahead and delete everything right here. You can see in recycle bin that's a huge amount of file right there. Hit OK, click delete files. And yep, that's basically it. We're just going to wait for this to be done. But those are all the steps in order for us to clear cache here in your PC.